Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now there's some compression going on here. You've got some kind of little horizontal on the cards just here for Bitcoin that you've come up into. You're coiling up. Okay, so primarily they are continuation trends, patterns, but you know they can break down. Full transparency. I think 32% to the downside, 68% to the upside basically. Now this level here, this is your one fib. Okay, this one fib, because you've lost it as support, is what gives you these technical targets. Do you see that? You've come down, you've met the 1272 at 3394, 33994, sorry. You can see you've held that as support, and right now you're trying to come back up and attack this one fib again. Okay, as resistance. Previous support becomes resistance. Okay, I've taught you that this much. Okay, so if you start to come up there and you rally into that resistance, you know, potentially continue with a trend and get some kind of continuation, you could come down to the 1414 at 31401 and then start to come back up. Okay, so that could offer a short opportunity at that point, and you know, with a tight stop loss to come all the way back down there would be a 20% correction for Bitcoin and a further downside basically for Bitcoin. Now to invalidate that, you know, this is why I will say to you, set a tight stop loss. Okay, you can do all this on Bybit. The link's in each and every video's description. You can see you've got some kind of break coming over the next few hours, okay, because you're coming closer and closer to the apex. So something's going to give here. You've got a descending level of resistance and you've got an ascending level of support. Apex, it's going to break. So I'm going to break and come up, retest that, okay. Tight stop loss, rejection, previous resistance, okay, previous support, sorry, of this swing low. Look at the resistance just there as well, you know, becomes resistance, support becomes resistance, and you can see what you've done here. You've lost it, you're coming back down, and you're essentially coming back up to retest it as resistance. Get the confirmation of resistance, and you get the confirmation of a continuation of the trend which you were in, which is a downtrend coming down to key support. Do you see that? So, you know, to invalidate that, all you got to do is come back up, break that, hold that as support, and you're going to start retracing at this point to this high, okay, this high that you're putting in November. And it's at that point when you start this retracement, where does Bitcoin come to? Okay, so at the minute you're coming down, resistance, 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 until you come down to the technical target. The technical target of the reversal wave, which I've shown you, is all the way down there on the 1618 at 28014. Okay, so it's really important that Bitcoin, you know, closes above that one fib and holds it in back test of support, because then you're looking at your breakout to the upside, and with that I would imagine you're getting above, you know, your daily EMAs as well. So there is something that's going to give here. This is all tradable. Now from here right now you could open a juicy little long op with a tight stop loss on Bybit. The videos in each and every video description. You've got a 7.79% long opportunity in front of you where you're going to take P at that point. Okay, take profit, TP at that point, because it gets rejected and starts to come back down. You're losing the trade basically. Do you understand that? So yeah, I mean, all this is tradable. It's all tradable on Bybit. Okay, so I'll try and teach you everything I can. So right now Bitcoin's coming close to an apex. You're looking for a breakout, retest that level of resistance, you know, previous support, back test, internal resistance, get through it, hold and back test. You're looking at continuation again, you know, breakout, fall back to support, open another long. Okay, it's all about breaking out and holding support. You open longs, lose support, turn into resistance, you open shorts. Do you understand that? Okay, so for example, you run into that, okay, as resistance and start to roll over, you open your short because you can come down to another fib. Okay, you potentially come down to that fib, lose that fib, you're going to bounce off that, and you can see you're just continuing with a trend here, essentially trying to come down to the 1618 target, which is a double bottom basically, you know, huge double bottom pattern and a double top. So that's basically Bitcoin. It's all tradable on Bybit. Take care everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.